What you see right there are some of my examples. A monocot is on the left and the dicot is on the right. If you see a ring, any kind of a ring, it's a dicot. If they're scattered around like this, it's a monocot, always. So now, I don't, the order don't care. I said phloem, carry food. Xylem, carry water. Or you can mix them, I don't know. Okay? Epidermis, would you say it's loosely or single layer or multi-layer?
It's more.
It's only one layer of cells. Are they tight or loose?
They're loose.
They're tight. That's what keeps things out.
Closely.
Tight. So it's going to be what? C and A. What's that waxy stuff called? The cuticle. The cuticle.
I was going to say
Cuticle.
Cuticle. Alright? Do you find those things on all three structures? No. Who doesn't have them?
Roots.
Roots doesn't have them. Do those have them?
Yes.
They do. I didn't go to leaves, I figured that is one more I can fool with. So 10. Which of those is not a member of the cortex?
A.
The sclerenchyma is not a member. That surrounds the vascular tissue.
Really?
Which of those can do photosynthesis?
C.
The collenchyma. The collenchyma, Charlie can. Most of the stem's cortex is made of what? The parenchyma. It's, yeah, parenchyma,
Yeah.
storage. Storage.
I don't know.
Alright? The sheath is the endodermis. It surrounds. Like a sheath surrounds your knife.
Okay. That's a
Endodermis.
good guess.
If you see the circle of tissue, what do you have?
A dicot.
All the time, a dicot. If you see them scattered all over the place, what do you have? That's a monocot. It never changes.
So which one was it?
The mature vascular bundle does not include one of those. It's inside one of them. Doesn't include the parasite. You have the xylem and phloem, which are made by the cambium. You're going to have cambium in the middle, and on the outside phloem, on the inside you have the xylem. What is that? I see a ring. I see a ring. Dicot.
16C.
How about it?
Monocot.
Scattered around. Monocot. Phloem now, is the phloem outside or inside on the bundle? It's always outside. But there's your phloem.
Yeah.
Right. Cambium is what's between them. So cambium would be this one. It's what's there's cambium. It's between the two transporting medium. Xylem is what's on the inside. That'd be A. You see some of it. You see a circle or scattered? That's a monocot. Scattered. Circle. I mean, you going around. Now, I know it's right under that, but it ain't got to be in here. But that's going to be a circle that you see. Dicot. Epidermis would be that red. That'd be the R. The collenchyma is what's under it. E is the collenchyma. That's the next one in. There's nothing. And then the pith is right here.
Yeah, H.
That's also called the medulla.
Yeah.
Because you could call this the medullary parenchyma if you wanted to. That's why I had to call this one the other kind of parenchyma. This is all cortex. This is all cortex. So anything out here is cortical parenchyma. Anything in here is medullary parenchyma. Because I don't say pithillary, it ain't. That's the medulla. And cambium are the white lines. Just separate. And the whole thing is a bundle. Yeah, A was the answer. The whole thing is a bundle. The phloem is the part on the outside. That's why food is stored over here. It can get to it. And of course, this H is the medulla, is at the center part. On any organ, the outer area is called the cortex, the inner area is called the medulla. kidney, and it all works the same way. The xylem are the inside areas. But what was that thing? I see a ring, dicot. If you got note, now, let me back up and find one. Which one has a pith, and who can't have a pith? There's your pith, because you form a ring that encircles it. You see a ring over here? No pith over here. It's all parenchyma. If I had a ring, I could say there's a pith inside it. And usually this thing decays away. You ever see a tree inside, and the inside is kind of rotting away? That tree falls over, you look at that thing's hollow inside. This is what hollows the thing out. As he grows, new rings are laid down, and you get to count 5 rings, and he's 5 years old. No rings. This thing grows tall. He can't grow out. He has no rings. This bad boy grows out and up. The oak trees, like this. But this would be a little bitty baby oak. So it would be this one that doesn't have. There's no circle to make it. No cambium on the top. You saw the white lines in the dicot. I see all scattered around, so that's going to be a monocot. I don't see a circle out here. So if it's a dicot, you're going to see a circle here and nothing inside there except pith. Now you look at these two pictures, which one's a monocot?
Yeah.
Because he has no pith. He only has parenchyma. This bad boy's got all 3 of them. Collenchyma, parenchyma, and sclerenchyma too. What was that one? They're scattered. Monocot. The rind, inside or outside? Surface or deep?
Surface.
It's near the surface. The rind contains more vascular bundles than the medulla does. That's why that's the rind. And if you eat a watermelon, you always throw away the rind. So that's the part that you trash. What are the blue circles? 2 words. Vascular bundles. 4.
Could you name it?
What'd you say? I'll check that. Dicot. And you see the ring. Sometimes the ring's inside here, like ours was. Sometimes outside there, so you just look for the ring. I don't care what the ring is. And you look for that ring and you got dicot. I see ours was inside. Now, epidermis would be, where I find it, there it is.
D.
D. And the phloem are these little things out here. And I find, oh, there it is. See. And the cambium is this layer that separates. I mean, right there's cambium. I see cambium there. And it goes between here. And there's cambium there, so it was D that stopped in the cambium. Cortex and all this stuff out here. I didn't say it, but the endodermis is just outside this. The endodermis separates the cortex from what's inside the cortex. But I couldn't see it real good. Can y'all see the cells right there? Like a little line of cells. And it comes around. That would be, but I figured they can't see that stuff. Alright. Xylem forms the ring.
Yeah.
It also forms the little things right there.
G.
All this is xylem, and problem is, you can't feed this because the food's outside. You can't get to it. So this starts dying. And then you find your tree inside has a hollow area. And that's how nature has it done. So what is stronger, a hollow pipe or a solid pipe?
Solid one.
Hollow pipe is a lot stronger than a solid pipe is. You bend a solid pipe much faster than you bend a hollow pipe. Nature does that. So these things grow, out like that. There's the pith. Again, what would you say those are? Same thing you said.
Xylem.
I would say vascular bundles. So I'm gonna be lazy. 2 words.
Okay,
But if you want to say xylem and phloem,
Okay, vascular.
did you leave out cambium though? If you say xylem and phloem, what would you also say? What's in that couple? Cambium too. When I say vascular bundle, I got all of them without naming them. Be smart.
I do say that's what my rules now.
Then that's good. Because if you want to say xylem and phloem,
I said
then
vascular.
I'm saying,
bundle.
how about the
Vascular
cambium?
bundle.
That's there too. So when you said vascular bundle, you covered all the bases. You don't say vascular bundle, you got to name all the bases. A lot of folks
You give
don't
extra
understand.
points?
Take the easy way out, huh?
You give extra point if you say vascular bundle?
I want a vascular bundle.
No,
That
but-
was the answer.
You give extra points.
Why for the answer? It was the answer. Why give extra for it? All right. What was that one? I see a circle. Dot.
Oh, I didn't want to talk.
Now, I blew this one up, I can tell you. So, which tissue is actually carrying food around that plant? This is your food carrier. That's why the food can't get in here. That's why this stuff dies. So which one is your water carrier? All of this, including this, but all of this, that's your ring of xylem. And I know our tree service, we've cut trees down from a truck and see water dripping out the tree, coming out of the xylem. And the last one, which part actually is used to store the food that the leaves made? Is it A or is it E?
I think I took
The
A.
food can't get to E. You know why it can't get to E? It can't get past the xylem. So where do you store it?
Yeah.
In the cortex.
Well, I missed that one.
All right. Well, you only missed 1 of 52. That's good, right?
Oh no, I messed up all xylem and phloem. I got them all flipped around.
Uh-oh.
I'm just saying.
Oh, wow.
All right, let's go ahead and do